Member time.
It's a bees-a-thon. Like, look at this. So this is what it looks like, in case you're curious. This is, the pen. And those, like, you get the thing with it. No, it's battery operated. I feel like totally being bad. What?
Ooh la la.
Like, what's going on? They're dangerous. Like, those things explode? Yeah, they're terrifying. It was like $99 after tax. No thanks. I think Pete's would like that cheesy fornication congregation. You're gonna be Pete's new friend? Can we go to a drag cabaret? It would probably be like $60. It's overpriced in my opinion. It's not worth it. Think of the money. And I would feel disgusted with myself after. Are we going out tonight? Yeah, we'll see. I'll try to think of something. You guys want to go downstairs in MJB's? Not for like an hour? Bees minimizing. It's all the same shit. You know what I mean? Like, it's friggin' fart attack. Ew. Moist. I can smell the onions every which way. They're so strong. Harry Joys. Close enough. Are you excited to see an old bloody booger? I love it. Baby, I'm yours. Baby, I'm yours. Baby, I'm yours. Oh. I don't know then. What? I don't feel like leaving my apartment. I gotta figure things for us to do while we're in here. So we're not bored all the time. For content. BG-13. I think I need a snack. Made up my mind, I'm drinking the gravy. Ooh. I don't know where Salah is. You know what was fun? Going to look for Daddy. Like, the sauce is too adult. Beaut-e-bite. I love hamburgers and hot dogs. I wanted to see how many I could eat, and it was 7. We need to do 41 modified jumping jacks.
Take me to your leader.
My mom sucks fucking wrinkly ass saggy balls. Couldn't have said it better myself. You don't remember her? She was an old woman. And she wore a weird mask, like with the mouth cut out. And she would sit there and be like, "Hi, it's Bing City." And she would eat a whole bunch of pies, like all disgusting, like, fucking weirdo. And she would hate on me. Yes. Really.
I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no props. Hey, yo.
Most people with self-respect don't sell their self-respect for money.
Are you kidding me?
I don't know what's clapping. I just know something is.
They're buttery and cheesy and delicious. Like toenail juice, ass hair. Like, it's not good for you in the long run. It's not. Oh, excuse me. That hurt my nose. You ever burp and then soda goes up your nose? I love you. Be back.